Hello, this is Brett with Clark County Plumbing and Drain. I am at job site address 4806 R Drive in Washougal, Washington. We have pushed out to the city main. This is a reverse camera inspection. I will stop once we get to our liner patch. I am beginning my video inspection now. Here is the start of our liner. And there's the beginning of it. As you can see, it transitions nicely. Continuing my inspection. This is where I gained access in the backyard to a 3-inch exterior cleanout, and this is where I end my inspection.